Welcome to the Health-ercoaster, Pakistan, the land of spicy food, even spicier politics, and a healthcare system that's, well, let's just say it's a ride. Imagine a roller coaster, folks. You've got your soaring highs and your plummeting lows, with a healthy dose of what just happened thrown in for good measure. We're talking about a country where life expectancy is on the rise, but good luck finding a doctor in a rural village, where polio is nearly eradicated, but a case of the sniffles might have your grandma brewing up a concoction that'd make a voodoo priest blush. But hey, who needs boring old stability when you can have adventure, right? And trust me, when it comes to health in Pakistan, adventure is an understatement. Buckle up, kids, because we're about to dive headfirst into the wild, wacky, and wonderful world of Pakistani healthcare. Get ready to explore the triumphs and the struggles, the downright bizarre and the surprisingly effective. Because in Pakistan, one thing's for sure, when it comes to health, you never know what's coming next. Now, before you think Pakistan's healthcare is all doom and gloom, let's talk about the good stuff. Because believe it or not, there's plenty to celebrate. For starters, life expectancy has been steadily climbing. That's right, folks. Pakistanis are living longer. We're talking about a nation that's taken on polio and almost won. Remember those little drops of hope? Yeah, they worked wonders. Polio cases have plummeted, proving that with a little effort and a lot of vaccines, we can conquer even the toughest diseases. And hey, let's not forget the resilience of the Pakistani people. These are folks who can find a way to laugh even in the face of adversity. It's that spirit, that unwavering determination, that gives us hope for the future of health in Pakistan. So while challenges remain, let's take a moment to acknowledge the victories. Because every step forward, no matter how small, deserves a round of applause. Okay, time for a reality check. While Pakistan has made impressive strides in health, the road is still bumpy, folks, real bumpy. We're talking potholes the size of craters and detours that'll make your head spin. One of the biggest hurdles? Access to healthcare, especially in rural areas. Imagine this, you're miles from the nearest city, your stomach's doing the cha-cha, and the only doctor in sight is a goat wearing a stethoscope. Not ideal, right? Then there's the issue of resources. We're talking about hospitals overflowing with patients, doctors working round the clock, and medical supplies stretched thinner than a yoga instructor on a juice cleanse. It's a tough situation, no doubt, but the spirit of Pakistan perseveres. With every challenge comes an opportunity for innovation, for creative solutions, and for a healthy dose of that famous Pakistani resilience. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, home remedies. Because in Pakistan, no ailment is too big or too small for a little Desi cure. Got a cold? Grandma's got a concoction for that. Sprained your ankle? Auntie's special oil will have you dancing in no time. We're talking turmeric for everything, ginger for days, and a healthy dose of just rub some Vicks on it for good measure. Is it scientifically proven? Who knows? But does it make you feel better? Well, there's a 50/50th chance, and that's good enough for us. But hey, it's all part of the charm, right? These remedies are a testament to generations of wisdom, passed down from mother to daughter, from neighbor to neighbor. They're a reminder that sometimes the best medicine is a little TLC, a warm hug, and maybe a pinch of turmeric for good measure. All right, enough with the doom and gloom. It's time to talk about the future. And guess what? It's looking brighter than a Bollywood starlet's smile. Pakistan's healthcare system might be a work in progress, but there's a renewed focus on improvement, on progress, on a healthier tomorrow. We're talking about increased government spending on healthcare, new hospitals popping up like Desi's, and a surge in medical professionals dedicated to serving their communities. It's like watching a caterpillar transform into a butterfly, except instead of wings, it's got stethoscopes and syringes. And let's not forget the power of technology, folks. Telemedicine is connecting rural communities to doctors in the city. Mobile health apps are empowering patients with information. And who knows, maybe one day we'll have robot doctors making house calls. The point is, change is happening, and it's happening fast. There's a sense of optimism in the air, a belief that a healthier Pakistan is within reach. Now, here's where you come in, folks. Because improving healthcare isn't just about doctors and hospitals and fancy equipment. It's about all of us coming together to create a healthier, happier Pakistan. We're talking about raising awareness about important health issues, advocating for better healthcare policies, and supporting organizations working tirelessly on the ground. Every little bit counts, folks, from donating to a worthy cause to simply spreading the word about healthy habits. Remember, a healthier Pakistan starts with each and every one of us. So, let's lace up those sneakers, put on our metaphorical running shoes, and join the health hustle. Here's the thing about tackling big challenges like healthcare. You can't do it alone. It's like trying to eat a whole plate of biryani by yourself. Messy, overwhelming, and you're bound to miss out on some delicious flavors. We need teamwork, folks, collaboration, a grand alliance of awesomeness to get the job done. We're talking about the government, healthcare professionals, international organizations, and everyday citizens joining forces like a superhero team assembled to fight, well, disease and poor health. Think of it as the Avengers, but instead of saving the world from Thanos, we're saving Pakistan from preventable diseases and inadequate healthcare. Imagine the possibilities when everyone works together. We can pool resources, share knowledge, and amplify our impact. Because when it comes to health, a united front is our strongest weapon. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the exhilarating, unpredictable, and often hilarious world of health in Pakistan. We've explored the highs and lows, the victories and challenges, and the unique blend of modern medicine and time-honored traditions. But this is just the beginning, my friends. The journey to a healthier Pakistan is an ongoing adventure, and we're all along for the ride. So buckle up, stay informed, and never underestimate the power of a good laugh and maybe a pinch of turmeric to keep you going. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on Pakistan's health journey. Because trust me, you don't want to miss this wild ride.